Imagine a time when gods controlled the sun, the moon, and the stars, in a world where myths explained the inexplicable. Such was the era before Anaximander, a pioneer among philosophers who dared to look beyond established beliefs and paved a path toward rational knowledge. This man of the ancient Greek world delved into a sea of shadows, determined to find logical answers to the mysteries of the cosmos, a revolutionary task that scandalized as much as it fascinated. Captivated by questions no one had dared to answer, Anaximander became the bridge that connected mythical narratives with rational thought. Like an architect of ideas, he laid the foundations of logos, challenging the darkness with audacity and ingenuity. But how did Anaximander manage to explain the world without relying on capricious divine beings? He broke the chains of superstition by formulating theories that would be the seed of scientific thought. He was the first to propose that the Earth floats freely in space, without the need for physical support, anticipating concepts that would be verified centuries later. With his utility, the world map transformed from a mere mythical representation to a more precise sketch, based on observations and philosophies grounded in reason. This innovative drive, radical for its time, allowed Anaximander to create a new way of viewing the universe. A universe no longer at the whim of deities from ancient legends, but a complex mechanism with its own rules to discover. Anaximander didn't stop there. His curiosity led him to speculate about the origins of life. He introduced a bold hypothesis for his time. Life originated in water, suggesting that the first living organisms were born from the aquatic environment to later adapt to dry land. This idea, although rudimentary, laid the groundwork for evolutionary biology long before the concept of natural selection came to light. In this way, his legacy extends beyond cosmology, branching out as a seed of inquiry that has germinated in diverse fields of science. Through his thinking, Anaximander articulated questions that others would answer eras later, showing a gift for anticipation that continues to amaze us. The shift from mythical narratives to logos was not an easy path. Rather, it was a struggle against the established, an intellectual revolution of epic proportions guided by Anaximander's inquisitive mind. Although his name does not resonate as loudly as other giants of thought, his contribution was nothing less than a beacon of clarity in a world confused by darkness and fiction. By breaking away from archaic mysticism, he lit a flame that, like a lightning bolt in a storm, illuminated the way toward an understanding that many generations would pursue. Anaximander teaches us that knowledge is not just the final result, but a perpetual journey in search of truth, transforming shadows into light and beliefs into certainties with the unyielding strength of reason. To access more content like this, subscribe to the channel and don't miss what's coming next.